Hello, I'm Henry, and I'm here for an update on some of today's trades. So we have first up Ethereum. We have Ethereum selling below S4 here on my charts. We have candlesticks at the top, volume profile in the middle. Down here, the blue is momentum indicator. This is the U.S. Open. Took a short as price sold below S4. Added to the position, stopped out of this last position in this candle here, and then re-entered as we begin to break down, and we can see sellers begin to take momentum here, and then we'll move over. I'm just using the 1 minute for now, and we'll back up for scale later. Here is the start of the crypto market here at the open, and I was able to take profits here at the open, and we'll come out to the 15 minute. We can get a better look here. We can see as we sold through S4, I'm taking entries as we're stepping down, stopped out, re-entered, and now we break down to here at the open. And then next up we have Doge. So we have Doge yesterday, selling off below S4 here at the U.S. Open time here, and taking positions as we're selling and pulling back here at S4. And we can see the price has been moved lower, and we move here. This is the open of the crypto market. This line right here at 1800, and we can see I'm able to take profits down here at 1945, and we'll zoom out on the 15 here to get some perspective. So you can see I'm taking my entries up here. We can see some consolidation, likely some distribution, and then we're selling off, and I'm able to take profits down here at the open. Now we have Bitcoin. I trade Bitcoin. This is the afternoon here in the U.S., or not here in the U.S., but the afternoon in the U.S. And we have selling here that moves below S4. I take 2 entries. Price holds below S4. Sellers are able to move the price a level down. And we see I'm able to take profits. This line, 1800, is the start of the crypto market for the day, and we can see we're selling off. Sellers have momentum, or have had momentum. I was able to collect profits down here. Let's see, at the target, and we'll use the 15 minute for scale, so you can see here the price failing below S4, and sellers taking control and being able to take the price down. So thanks for checking out my trades, and we'll see you next time.